Alright, you guys asked for it. You said you wanted sound demos? Here they are. Before I get into these sound demos, you may want to put on some nice headphones, otherwise you might not be able to hear the differences. I do want to say that I did have a slight issue with the DTA-120. There was a slight imbalance between the left and right channel. I did fix it in post, but I wanted you guys to hear it before I made any changes to it. So this is how it sounded before.
Drew again. You sit alone, alone on the signs knows your name. Elaine, Elaine, Elaine.
So yeah, did you notice the difference between left and right? And keep in mind, I didn't change the position of the mics or the speakers when I switched between the two amps.
Don't feel fucking to me. 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 Don't feel fucking to me.
Shadow drew again. You sit alone, alone on the signs knows your name. Elaine. Things round you are nice and plain and full of you, Elaine. But you are full of pain.
This little girl is Remy, and this is her birth story.
What I wanted to say was how like I see other people's birth stories on YouTube,
Okay.
and they're all like done up.
I know, like, we just had our baby yesterday.
I felt like it'd be appropriate for us to look exactly how we look.
Yeah, no change.
Except I put water in my hair.
And I put a shirt on.
As I've mentioned on my previous videos, I do have a Patreon page. I have a lot of exclusive content on that page. One of the things I'm going to be releasing on there is actually a test with a bunch of different amplifiers, some of the ones that I may not be releasing here. For example, I have an old Marantz receiver from the 70s, so that has its own sound signature. I have a Denon S720 receiver. I have that Burson Class AB amplifier that I just reviewed. I have the SMSL SA50 and the AD18. I even have a $15 Class AB Drock amp on there, just for fun. So how did you guys like that sound demo? I'm planning to do that for some of the speakers that I'm going to be reviewing. So hopefully you found that useful. And if you did, make sure to like, subscribe. You know what to do. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye.
Don't feel fucking to me. 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 Don't feel fucking to me.
Shadow drew again. You sit alone, the lane, or full of you, Elaine. In a shadowed room again, you sit alone, Elaine. Only silence knows your name, Elaine. Elaine, Elaine. Things round you are nice and plain and full of you.